Good morning. Today we are at the River Annan on the Annandale way. We'll be walking from Brydekirk in this direction up to Hoddom in this direction, following one bank on the way there and coming back via the Annandale way. Lots of things to see as we go from Woodcock Air to Hodam Castle. So let's go.
Bridekirk was previously known as Bride Chapel, with the original village about a mile north of the current site. In the early 19th century, Lieutenant Durham built roads, a bridge over the River Annan and mills with the intention to industrialise the area. However, this was never completed due to the increasing dominance of steam power.
Woodcock Air is 129 metres high, covered in a mix of deciduous trees around its base and pine trees further up, including a working forest. The walk around the base is stunning, with a path to the summit triangulation point from Hoddom being the easiest route up.
This mid-16th century watchtower was built by Lord Maxwell and takes its name from the repentance carving over its entrance door. Maxwell took stones from Trail Trow Chapel on the same site to build Hodam Castle below, and the chapel's graves now surround the tower. It was later used in World War II as a watch across the Solway.
Hodom belonged to the Herries family from the 12th century. Hodam Castle was built by Lord Maxwell in the 1560s as one of his line of defences. 4 stories and a tower were built, which include slits and holes for defenders to attack. As one of the last castles to be built in the area, it didn't see much action apart from a few short sieges in its early life. During World War II, it was home to a number of Allied servicemen, but later fell into disrepair before demolition of the later additions. It's now surrounded by a caravan park.
The old parish church at Hoddom originally dates to an 8th century monastery and possibly earlier Roman history, with carved stones found on the site in excavations. The foundations of the later 12th century church still sit by the River Annan, surrounded by its graves, but much of the finer stonework has been lost. The church was closed in 1609 following a parish union with Ecclefechan and was demolished in 1815. A later church stood at Hodam Cross until a fire in 1975.